Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please make sure you press the subscribe button down below to make sure you guys get notified every time that I post a new video. Today's video is going to be a hair review. As you can see, while I got my little gel braid shit going on, and don't make fun of me because my hair just started growing back after I cut it, so my shit even in a little ponytail now or whatever, but yeah, don't come for me. But this video is going to be about the company Sunber Hair Company. They sent me a 324 bundles and a either 18 or 20 inch closure. This is, I turned it, and it's curly hair, either Brazilian or Malaysian, but I'm 95% sure it's Brazilian curly. And this is the unit that I made. I made it into a wig basically. And if you guys do need custom wig whatever, I have it down below where I do custom wigs and stuff like that. You guys could message me. So I made it into a closure wig, and I just wanted to show you guys how I install it and everything, how I tame. As you can see, like, this hair is really like huge, like huge. I would say I would have used only 2 bundles, to be honest, because I mean, like, I like curly hair when it's puffy and everything, but this is huge. It was like a lot of hair, since you know that since when hair does come, you can see like the longer that you get, the smaller the bundles are. But in this case, like, the bundles were really like thick for some reason, and 3 bundles was more than enough. I think I even had some extra somewhere around, but I didn't use exactly all 3, but about 3 bundles. And this is how it looks. This is it all brushed out and everything. And I just want to show you guys how I basically tamed the curls and stuff. Hold on, let me put it on for you guys. Let me get my little band on. Oh, Jesus. Bitch, I woke up like this. Ooh, so it's cute already. But as you can see, like, the hair is really big. Like, that shit is huge. But this is the hair all brushed out or whatever. Like, with the way that I do my wigs, you really don't have to do much, to be honest with you. As you can see, like, even the part and everything fits good, and this isn't going anywhere. But I've been wearing this hair for like about 2 days now. I went out with it twice, and every time that I the 2 times that I did have it out, like, people were complimenting me on how like nice the curls are. So like, when the curls are wet and everything, let me show you guys. Let me start wetting it to show you guys how it looks. When you wet it and everything, the curls look really defined and really nice. Hold on, let me split it in half. Normally for curly hair for me, I use a spray bottle, but with the water that I do use in it, sometimes I use conditioner, and I shake it up in here just to keep the hair moisturized and everything. Cause you know, curly hair, it gets really like huge. Like, even this, it's soft right now. Like, this hair was really soft, to be honest with you. I was kind of shocked, but it was like really soft, and when I first got it, it was like extremely soft, and even now it's still soft. So, but let me show you guys how it looks tamed down. It kind of uses a lot of water, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, this is really thick for 3 bundles of hair. And this isn't something that I do every day. Well, I mean, I only wore it like 3 times, but it's not, I don't do this every day, because once you, oh shit. Once you like brush it and everything, look, do you guys see this shit? These curls look bomb as fuck. Let me finish curling it. I'm not sure if you guys could tell, but Look. Like, these curls are mad nice. So I'm like 100% sure this is like Brazilian hair, because this is how like Brazilian curly looks like. Let me what the ends. You guys, and the ends, they're not even, look how the ends are. These shit look nice as fuck. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing. Like, you know how normally some curly hair, the ends be all like brassy and like just like all straight and stuff, but these ends, these shits look nice as fuck and everything. And hold on, let me fast forward to, I'm gonna fast forward this part of me doing the second part of my hair. So so now you guys can see like a better look of how the hair looks. Like, this hair is like beautiful. Like, normally I don't really like curly hair like that, but like, and here's the amount of shedding that I got. It wasn't even that much. Can you guys see? Hold on. And this is the amount of shedding that I got, and that's kind of not that much when you look at curly hair, because at the end of the day, curly hair is gonna shed regardless. Your natural hair sheds, so well, why would you not think that bundles, like real natural hair stuff, don't shed? So like, it gets me confused when people talking about, oh, it sheds. Obviously hair is gonna fucking shed, and also because it's not even your real hair, so obviously the shit is gonna fucking shed. So, but for shedding wise, it really does not shed as much. Yes, it shed, but it doesn't shed a lot. Now, after I wet it with the water, or you could do water and conditioner, I use my foam, and this is just a regular foam that I found at my beauty supply store. And I mainly only got this for my laces because it doesn't have alcohol. And it's good not to have alcohol when you're laying your baby edges and stuff like that. So this is what I got. It's with no alcohol. And I put a good amount onto my hand. I separate the sides, so I do it one at a time. And I make sure I put it like in the ends. This is going to you saw how the hair was in the beginning. This is gonna stop it from basically fluffing up and being so big. You don't have to do this step if you do like it big and stuff like that and like it fluffy. You can do it like that, but this just tames it. It stops it from like getting so huge and stuff. So it basically tames the curls. Once you do this, you really don't have to do it again until like another, probably a day or two, I would say, because the foam, once you use the foam, it really stops the curls from getting huge. It would probably make it stop like this. Maybe it'll get like a little bit like puffy, but then after that, that's kind of about it. And I run the comb through it, more time. And I left some baby hairs out. And I would have just went like this with it. Even the baby hairs, I don't really have to do much. All I have to do is like just bring them down a little bit. And that's about it. That's how I basically tame my baby hair. Let me get a closer look for you guys. Like the ends are so freaking nice. Like it's freaking ridiculous. But this hair, like I said, all the information about this hair will be in the description box down below. So make sure you guys check that out. Like this hair, out of all the hairs, I would compare it to Beauty Forever, because you guys know Beauty Forever, it has really good hair. So it's kind of like the same. It's like really good. It's soft and everything, and it sheds, but it don't shed too much. And if you want it to be like this, you could just use the foam on it so it don't get too big. But if you are the type that do like big curly hair and stuff like that, then you don't have to put the mousse, and you could just let it after you add the water, just let it do its own thing, and eventually it's just gonna blow up. But tell me what you guys think about this hair. I am thinking about selling this unit, so if you guys are interested, you guys could comment. I mean, not comment, but message me down below or whatever. But I think I might keep this one, because this curly hair is bomb as fuck. But if you guys do have any questions, please make sure you guys comment down below, and I read through all the comments and stuff like that. So if you guys have any questions about this unit or this hair, please make sure you guys ask the questions. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.